Greetings, I'm Syarif Jati from grade science 4. I'm grade 12 in SMA Negeri 5 Palangka Raya. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial how to play geometry dash. First, open the game. The second, you see the center icon. This is the big play icon and click it. There's so many levels here between 21 level here. So this is the basic level that you will try. Okay, see, click, click, click. You need to avoid all the obstacle and following the rhythm. Okay, please, you need to be careful for avoiding all the obstacles or you will die, and repeat it from the start of the level. Some people say this game is a little bit hard, but for me that already played since 5 years ago, this is so easy. Just click it and hold. Now the second task is a ship. The ship is controlled by the hold and the click. Okay, you already control it, and then you back to the cube. This is, you can hold, but be careful. This is a trap. Some jump pad is a trap. Okay, this is the second obstacle from the second stage. Okay, jump the obstacles. Down, jump, down, jump, jump. Okay, jump and go down. Be careful. See all the obstacles. Hold. You need to time up the timings. Then back to the ship. Control the ship. Okay, you almost finished. Okay, you finished the game. That's the first tutorial. Go out and then we go to the hard one. There are so many hard level here, but if you're boring with this costume game level, you can download all the creator level. Creator level is the people make a level and upload it in this game. Just go to the previous menu here, the green arrow, and just follow my cursor, click it, and then click the tool icon. You can click the Hall of Fame or search by the name. I'm gonna choose Hall of Fame. Yes. Now this is all the levels is community level that made by people, not the costume of the game. Watch. So many level here. I'm gonna try Dark Destiny and play. You can see that you lose. Okay, I'm loose. If you don't want to play this again, click the X button and delete it. You can search by the name. Example, I choose Astral. Enter and search. So many Astral name here. Okay, you got it. That's it, tutorial how to play Geometry Dash Basic. I hope this is good and thanks for watching.